and the three-language policy, funds more than 2,000 crores will not be released to our children in Tamil Nadu for their schools. So when she raised this question about the funds not being released, the minister in response got up and said that when the MPs from Tamil Nadu and the opposition parties went and met him, that we had agreed to sign the NEP, which is very far from the truth, because quoting us the meeting with the minister, our chief minister has written to the minister and also to the prime minister saying that we cannot agree to the NEP and we have disagreements with a few issues in the NEP and we will not be able to sign the NEP, and in spite of it they have to release the funds and they should not link accepting the NEP and the three-language policy with releasing of funds into the SSA. This is something which our CM, Mr. Stalin, has made very, very, very clear. So we have not changed our stand. This is the Tamil Nadu stand right from the beginning, and this is the stand of the DMK and our Chief Minister, Mr. Stalin. The Minister today called our government, our people and the parliamentarians from Tamil Nadu liars. And not only that, he has hurt the feelings of all of us and the Tamil Nadu's pride by calling us uncivilized. I think it's democracy. Everybody has a right to voice their opinion, and when something is being quoted wrongly, obviously members of the opposition will get up and try to clear that. We are not against any language, but you cannot call us uncivilized. We condemn it strongly, and I think the speaker, and he has taken my name, but the speaker has not allowed me to clarify. I think this is undemocratic and this is absolutely unparliamentary.
Are you planning to move privilege motion or something? Any such plans?
Yes, we are discussing about, and we will speak to our leader also, and definitely move.
The minister is saying that they are open to discussion.
There are some internal politics in DMK. That's why they are diverting the issue. Actually, they are agreed to sign in the.
And Tamil is going to be main language always.
I want to clearly tell you, I can send you the letter also which the CM has written, and it is already in the social media, where our Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu has clearly said that we cannot accept the NEP in total and we have certain issues with it. And one of the main issues is three-language policy. Tamil Nadu will not agree to three-language policy.
And he is alleging that they are not ready to implement the PM Sri school in Tamil Nadu. That's why they are opposing it.
Yes, we are not ready to apply because you, accept that because you are insisting we sign a MOU accepting NEP. That is our problem.
But he is continually saying that only internal politics in DMK.
Why should the minister be bothered about our politics? Let him first get his house in order. This is completely diverting the issue. Let him answer why they are forcing us to learn three languages. Why are they holding back the funds which have to rightfully come to Tamil Nadu? Yeah. And this is not, in the list of the union government. It is in the concurrent list. We have a right over education too. Why are they not consulting us and listening to what the people of Tamil Nadu want? And the Chief Minister is the representative of the Tamil people. So what he says is something very important and they have to heed to that.
பாதகம் செய்பவரை கண்டால் நாம் பயம் கொள்ளலாகாது பாப்பா. மோதி மிதித்து விடு பாப்பா, அவர் முகத்தில் உமிழ்ந்து விடு பாப்பா. அண்மை செய்திகளை உடனுக்குடன் தெரிந்து கொள்ள இணைந்திருங்கள் எம் நாடு தொலைக்காட்சியுடன்.